Hi, today I would like to show you something that's not related to affiliate program or affiliate software. I would like to talk about conversion of your website. Conversion means how much visitors will become your customers. If this ratio is high, your affiliates will love to work with you in your affiliate program. To reach the highest possible conversion ratio, we use free tool powered by Google. It's called Website Optimizer. It helps us to set up a test of changes on our website and measure which variation from the test is a winner and which will bring us more sales as other variations. For example, today I decided that I will test some changes on our website in pricing section. I would like to test how big impact on our sale will have different variations of pricing table. So in the morning, together with our website designer, we created a test where we created some variations of pricing table. So let's take a look how it looked. Original pricing table is quite flat. It contains informations about editions we sell and so on. So I asked our designer to create variations of this pricing table. So we are testing just the pricing table, nothing around the pricing table. And as you see, we have quite different layouts with different types of emoticons and colors. The last combination. So as you see, we created 4 different combinations. Together with original pricing table, it's 5 combinations. Website Optimizer is a great tool, but you can't measure the impact of your changes on sales, for example. You can measure the goals. It's perfect for measuring binary goals like visited the visitor this page after he saw my test or not. But what I need on pricing table is to measure how big impact has my test or any variation in this test on sales. So this is where we employed Google Analytics. Google Analytics is another great tool powered by Google, which helps you to measure different types of metrics on your website, and one of these metrics is e-commerce website metric. For example, you can measure average order value or similar parameters. So the goal was to integrate or connect my test from Website Optimizer with data measured by Google Analytics. And now I will show you a small trick how we did it. So in the page we have a code which integrates our website with Google Website Optimizer. It's basic setup which everyone who creates a test needs to finish. And on our website is also Google Analytics tracking code. And now I will show you the small code which connected Google Analytics with Google Website Optimizer. Those 5 lines does following. In Google Analytics you can store next to each visitor also custom variable. So we created you can have in Analytics up to 5 custom variables. So we used first variable. It's defined by first parameter in function set custom var, and we called it JWO, and as value we store text combination and the combination code, and that's all. Now we can switch to Google Analytics and we can set up a custom report. So I will click create new custom report. I will set as dimension of this report custom variable value, not key, custom variable value. So I will drag and drop it to dimension, and from metrics I will watch values like average value, average order value, or number of purchases, revenue, and so on. And also I would like to measure metrics like number of visits, new visits, and for example exits and bounce rate. I will use person exits, and also I will watch page views, time on site, or better average time on site, and number of visits. Okay, that's all. You can set up another metrics by adding new tabs into your report and so on. So now I will create the report and take a look how it will look with data. I created the test just today in the morning, so there are not any data registered until now. There were just 33 new visits, so that's not enough for test results, but it gives you overview how you can segment your report, or how you can segment data measured by Google Analytics in your custom report. In the report you see that the values of the custom variable are segments. Okay, I did mistake that in the integration code which connected Google Analytics with Google Website Optimizer, I used a space and other characters which are encoded into HTML. Next time I will not use those spaces. But this is original variation in this test. This is variation 1, variation 2, variation 3 and variation 4. And already you can see, for example, that bounce rate of original pricing table was about 16%, and variation 1 currently has about 20%, 22% and so on. So this is the way how you can measure not just the number of goals in Website Optimizer, but you can measure real impact of test on your sales. I hope it will